How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, I'm bringing you a special video here today. I'm going to be discussing a opportunity for the channel going forward from now on. As you guys know, well, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm not the best editor when it comes to like editing videos. I know like the basics of stuff, but I've never been like really advanced and like really good at editing stuff. So I thought this would be a great opportunity for the channel in order to gain more subscribers and more views by pumping out better quality content, not in terms of like the actual like topics I do, but in terms of just like the editing around the videos, because I don't do that much editing when I edit my videos. It's mainly just like clipping together, splitting clips, cutting stuff. But if I were to like take that and move it to the next level and make editing like really nice, really clean, something more enjoyable, better transitions and stuff like that, like overall, I think it would like greatly benefit the channel. So in this video, I'm doing a proposition contest sort of thing. What I'm going to be doing is basically looking for one of my fans or anyone who watches this video that's interested in becoming a video editor of mine. So I'm going to be running a contest. Basically, I'm going to upload a clip to YouTube, probably put it like in a shareable folder where you guys can go download the clip and whatnot. And then you guys are going to go edit that video to the best of your ability and then just email it to me. My email's in literally every video, and if the file's too big for emailing, I can always use Google Drive in order to transfer files that are too big, so that's also an option. So guys, basically I want to find a video editor to help improve my quality overall. Oh, by the way, guys, this in the background is Overwatch. I'm gonna be streaming this on my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, so go subscribe over there. So yeah, I want to get a video editor to boost the quality of my content, really make it more clean and more enjoyable to watch with better editing, just because I'm not the best at it. I only know the basics. So at first, it's going to be like a test run at first for a month or so. I haven't figured out everything yet. This is just the beginning of it. I like taking risks in life, so I feel like this is a good opportunity to take a risk and see how it does for the channel. So there probably will be a test period, maybe a month or so, where I just see how the edits do, how people respond to the new editing style, and if views and subscribers go up dramatically, like if there's actually a significant change, and whether I want to keep the editor around to actually like pay and like actually come on and be a part of Life Made Easy. So it would start out as like an unpaid position, but if I were to see tremendous growth, I would turn this into a paid position. I haven't worked out all the details yet. I just want to start the contest and see where it goes from there. It would probably be on a per video basis, just for your information on that. It probably wouldn't be like a monthly payment or anything, just because like when I'm at school, I can't upload as much, so it would have to be on a per video basis. I'm still gonna edit some of my videos, obviously, like if like I'm in a rush or something, I don't have time to wait for that person to edit and send it over to me. So it's all test run right now, guys, but I am going to be uploading a clip. You guys go download that clip if you're interested in becoming an editor for me. And this could turn into a paid position. Most likely will, if I see the results I want to see. So I'm going to probably upload a clip. I don't know what it's going to be yet, to Google Drive, share the link with you guys, and you guys edit that clip to the best of your ability. You send it to me, either like re-put it in the folder or email it to me. If the email is too big, obviously you can't do that, but so yeah, that's gonna how it's work. Gonna start the contest, see who wins. I'm gonna pick in my opinion the best edit out of all of them. Get in contact with the person who edited it and go from there. So obviously we're just in like the pre-alpha stages of this project. I just want to get started with it and see where it takes me. May end up not getting anyone, may actually get someone to help me out with the channel and create like a job out of it. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go subscribe to my second channel, Gaming Made Easy, if you enjoyed it. Go check out my social medias linked below. You can also check out my merch store if you're interested in picking up some nice Life Made Easy merch off Teespring. Got some dope stuff in there too. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to download that clip if you're interested in entering the contest. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Subscribe if you're new. Hit those notifications. Leave a like on this video. Peace out, guys.